Welcome to my channel, Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Snowflake, that is data transfer cost. In my previous videos, we have seen about the Snowflake pricing, about storage cost and compute cost. Now we are going to see about the data transfer cost. What is data transfer? It is a process of moving data into and out of Snowflake. See, from one Snowflake to another Snowflake account within the same region. If you are going to transfer any data from one Snowflake to another Snowflake account within the same region means there is no charges. Okay. But if you are going to transfer the data from one region to another region, I have already shown that various regions we can choose in the snowflake.com/pricing. In that website, we have seen in the pricing tab, there are various regions and various cloud service providers names are there. You have to choose that appropriately. If you want to transfer from one region to another region, then data transfer charges will be levied. Okay. And also the features such as external tables and external function and data lake export may incur additional data transfer charges. Okay. I will show you now. See, here we have to choose the platform. And here we can choose the region. If you want to transfer the data from US East Northern Virginia to the US East Ohio, or if you want to transfer the data from US to EU, that means European Union, there are some data transfer charges. I will show you the tariff now. See, here, this is the data transfer charges. Data transfer to the same cloud provider. Data transfer to different region, same continent. Data transfer to other continents. Okay. Then the charges will be charged accordingly. Okay. If it is within the same region means there is no charges. If it is from region to region, but within the same continent means it will be less only. For example, if it is from US Central to US Virginia, but within the same continent, then it is around $10 per TB. If it is different continents, it is $80. Likewise, that charges will differ. This is actually for GCP, Google Cloud Provider. For example, only I took this tariff chart. There are other companies, other cloud service providers, and they will charge accordingly. Slightly, some cloud service provider will charge more, or some cloud service providers will charge less. Here only 3 cloud service providers are there now: Azure, Google, and Microsoft, the AWS. Microsoft Azure and AWS. So they will charge accordingly. Some tariffs will be higher, or the other company, the tariffs will be somewhat less. It depends upon the Google service provider. Okay. We have to know all these things before going for any data transfer. Otherwise, if we are going on transferring and finally if we get the different bill means, then it will be shocking. Okay. I have to know all these things, what you are going to do from one continent to other continent, or within the same continent, or within the same region. Okay. The AWS transfer within the same region means no charges. Transfer between the region means it depends on the region. Okay. For example, if it is Asia Pacific means it will be more. If it is US, then it will be less. EU, European Union, it will be less. If it is Australia, it will be slightly higher. So for US and EU, it will be around $20 per TB. For Asia Pacific is around $90 per TB. Okay, it will be around $90 only. Okay, you can check the tariff. You can from the tariff you can get this amount. Okay, so you have to know all these things before going for any data transfer activities in the Snowflake. We will see about the some other topic in the Snowflake in the next video. Thanks. Bye.